is Manuel David R. Pias. Today, we will discuss any new technologies that can aid the compliance to marine environmental protection. Before I'll start, let's have my introduction of my topic. Advanced technologies can help with planning sea space strategy in maritime traffic management. Shipping technology is setting up the trends and challenges changing maritime management. Here are examples of new technologies that can aid the compliance to marine environmental protection. First, sensor technology is one of the most advanced and well-developed technologies, especially popular in industries connected with transport action. Sensor technologies replace many of the manual tasks like examining equipment aboard ship. Connecting all machinery to sensor help marine ship technicians to manage their equipment more patiently. It also allows them to detect problems at early stage and identify their because by remotely in analyzing the data. Companies monitor the functioning status of machines and result can analyze the maintenance necessary and regular interval and their total operability aboard ship. Second, artificial intelligence has the potential to end repetitive tasks and improve the quality of the shipping industry. An AI-driven sector is logistic. Artificial intelligence help with route optimization, safety decision making, and automation. Above all, AI also help distribute goods between hundreds of vessels passing through ports and avoid traffic. Third, big data and IoT. Data analytics check the information that comes from large operation systems such as ships and ports. The predictive analytics about container types, weight, and destination, as well as ship data, trim, stability, engine performance, and communication are used to make data-driven decisions for the safe and efficient operation of ship. Big data on ship can give results about historic container trends and ocean conditions. The ship responds to various changing weather conditions, analyzing different parameters can help with efficiency and overall performance. Fourth, ship propulsion system. The new ship propulsion system not only provide better control of the ship but also help the ecosystem, as the wind, solar, and nuclear propulsion system are the most widely propulsion system in ships. This pure carbon-free renewable energy sources emission or are recyclable. The transition control of the propulsion system to smart technology enables a device to make decisions and control equipment with high accuracy. Both captain and marine engineer can monitor the status of the marine diesel engine. The software shows and ensures that they always remain within the acceptable operating region. Last of my topic, advanced material and 3D printing have an unfavorable effect on the environment. The fuel oil spill and waste effluents cause an increase in pollution and environmental damage. This is why investment in alternative energy management solution is important. It can help reduce the emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon and sulfur. Because of maritime is big concern, it is crucial that it moves toward a green approach. Therefore, now a lot of new sea modes of transportation such as zero-emission ships are being developed to reduce the carbon footprint of the marine industry. Many mega ships are built from different more sustainable materials like fiber and porous plastic. It helps reduce traffic and carbon but also carries large quantities of cargoes. In conclusion, technology will be leading the future of the marine industry by improving maritime safety and ensuring that the ships are more sustainable and operating more efficiently. Thank you for listening.